The Salty Dog is a classic cocktail that combines the refreshing taste of grapefruit juice with the bite of gin or vodka, and a salted rim for an extra tangy touch. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin or vodka. Choose based on your preference. 4 ounces grapefruit juice, freshly squeezed, is recommended for best flavor. To rim the glass. Salt, coarse salt, works best. Ice cubes, as needed to fill the glass. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, rocks glass, strainer, small plate, ice. Here are the instructions. Spread some salt on a small plate. Moisten the rim of the rocks glass with a grapefruit wedge or water. Dip the rim of the glass into the salt to coat it evenly. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Pour gin or vodka and grapefruit juice into the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Fill the prepared rocks glass with ice cubes. Strain the mixture from the shaker into the glass. Garnish with a grapefruit wedge or twist if desired. The Salty Dog is a variation of the Greyhound, which is simply grapefruit juice and gin or vodka served without a salted rim.